Now what are these?
They probably need a light, John, huh?
What are these? Do shoot up the sky too?
Yeah, these are the little cakes.
Everything does.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. They're all. I didn't want any wishy-washies coming this way.
I don't think they will. I've never seen them.
John supposedly got that thing made so that I thought that the blocks were going to sit on there too and tip
Move
out.
your ass, Leslie.
And
My God.
There you go.
wow.
Yep, move it. I can move it over. Yeah, over by Hall. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tip those out? Like can you fit those on your little rack?
John, you got the light?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah, put them on that. Oh, we got to put them on that rack.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Smells like old rotten egg.
Yeah, Mom's gonna go beside you because shrapnel's falling on her head.
That tree branch, she wouldn't be able to see it very good, I don't think.
I don't care. I don't want it falling all over me.
Yes, she will.
I got my blue
Okay.
one.
She's short,
wicked.
remember?
Oh yeah.
Thank you, my Rory.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Get it?
There you go. Oh, those are pretty over there.
I was getting buried in that shit over there. Oh, God, still my eyes.
You okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Oh, that was pretty.
Yeah.
Look at him over there.
Yeah.
Pretty, huh?
The line of the boat out there.
God, that's something.
Yo!
Come on, move it.
Move it.
I like when they get up there and
It's like a competition now.
Yeah.
We do one, they do one, we do one, they do one.
Yeah.
You okay?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I just wiped my eyes out.
What?
Don't hit yourself.
Don't get yourself.
Yeah. More for head.
But why would you want to do that? Why? Why?
Don't do that.
Just because you can doesn't mean you have to. You're just lucky to be that limber.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
I hate when mosquitoes get caught in my glass.
They're doing those
Oh,
right
me
off the
too.
hose.
Jesus.
I'm scared of gas in
I
it.
know.
It's pretty, though.
Yep.
Yeah.
3 of them off.
Yeah, David.
What a sound, huh?
All right.
Yeah.
That was good.
Oh.
Yay! That was fun.
You can hear him hooting and howling over there.
Driver come down and hit me in the head.
It's all cool though. It's all hot.
Yeah. Wow.
But it's a major lightning
Yeah.
going on in Gardner.
Yeah.
To the clouds. No, it's up in the air. It's up in the clouds. It just does it inside the clouds. Heat lightning. No, I didn't say grease lightning. Isn't that something like this? Yeah.
Well, that stuff must be hot on that dock, huh?
Huh?
Hot on that dock.
No, the boards are on.
I know it, but some of those sparks are flying.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Wow, those were high.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one is amazing.
Here you go, Joe.
I know they do.
Just miscellaneous sparklers.
Yeah.
Flashing signal.
Oh,
Yeah, we don't have the big ones, so yeah.
What's in there, Lauren?
What'd you say?
We don't have the big kahuna yet. Kahuna yet out there.
Oh no.
No.
What is that one? Is it a block or is it something?
Yeah,
in
it's a
those
big
tubes?
block. Big giant block.
1, 2,
What do you see,
3, 4,
Laurie?
5, 6, 6 or 7 blocks.
Are they the nine shooter blocks?
No, emit showers of sparks. It's,
Yeah.
It's a fountain.
There's a 9-shooter block.
Oh,
There's
there
a
goes
couple 16, 19 shoot blocks.
This is a,
this one.
that's one of those
Oh.
pearls.
It's a fountain.
That was that tall, skinny one.
Neat.
I don't know what that was.
Fiery storm.
Can't figure out.
Bob said there's 3 big kahunas.
Yeah,
Wow, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4,
there's at least 6.
6 in all.
Is that them?
These?
No,
Is that what you're
Oh.
talking about?
no,
No,
No.
There's more out in the
in the
garage
garage.
that he's put together.
That's gonna be the grand finale one.
Running out, yeah. Running out of the house. After that, how you like it?
Yep.
Hey, here's 3 more.
What do you got there?
This one. Peach tree.
Oh.
There's a black cat. There's that
What?
one.
Yeah.
And there's that little one.
So
right there.
these are all rapid fire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these are,
Oh, neat. Wow. Nice.
That was pretty.
Now they're blasting off theirs over there. Playing some fire.
Yeah, it's a big campground over there.
Yeah, big party going on over
These
there.
are 6 separate
Yeah,
homes.
Oh, yeah.
Goes one at a time though.
We got a lot of singles too.
Yep.
We got a shitload of singles.
Yeah, we got 12 right here.
What we got?
And then I don't. You got more up there too.
Yeah, we got more up there. Yeah, but we got that big one we want to.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the last one we want to set or set it next.
Well, how much longer have you got for, how much longer do you think you have? Do you have like another half hour?
We got another 15 minutes.
Another 15?
Yeah, we're gonna go get
So
the
I mean, if you want, we can like save these or whatever and do them on the weekend or you know.
Oh, I was
Get
only
that big
thinking
one.
about
Stand so close.
David, you know, if it was going to be like another
Yeah.
hour.
No, it won't be an hour. I don't know what that thing is.
That's it.
The fountain.
It looks like a fountain.
Yeah. Oh, now that's off little ones. Oh, I like that blue.
These were Frank's bags. Yeah.
They're getting shot with stuff.
What is that?
I don't know. It's
I
kind
like
of
how your
Something's landed
solo
on the
lights keep
dog.
blinking
War
on.
snowboard.
No, it gets too bright. We burn
Oh, the cardboard from when they explode. Pieces of chunks of cardboard are coming down on the dock.
Oh, that's a pretty one over there.
Oh, here comes another one.
They're trying to beat everybody. I think it's up.
Oh, another one.
They're blasting off theirs overall. One's just so bright. Bam, bam.
Yay!
Oh, those are big.
Yeah, that's not even on the golf. That's
somebody else.
next door there or something.
Yay!
Them ones in the box are coming in tubes. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Let me, I'll go get that. Go up and get that. Scotty, what are you doing?
You know the
Yeah,
big
hun.
rocket?
Hun.
They have boxes.
Oh.
Where you hold them and there's this little fuse that goes up.
Oh, I didn't know it was recording. I put it in my pocket.